Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tip, Tricks and Tech. Today I'm going to do a video on Model Y. As you know that right now if you buy a Model Y you will get full feature including the pedestrian warning speaker, BoomBox and everything, but I bought it last year on August 2020, and unfortunately my car did not come with the speaker. Actually had a harness, but they didn't put it speaker. So since I don't have the speaker, I didn't get that update for the BoomBox, and I was so pissed and I was disappointed, and I've been waiting for them to retrofit it. So finally I made an appointment, and then a tech is coming to my home today at 11 o'clock, and then he's gonna retrofit it. So I'm going to give you all the information about it, how to do it, how much it will cost, and how long it take to do it, and I'm going to show you before and after video. Okay, so let's go and check it out. If you look at it, my Model Y was made in July, so this one did not have the speaker, but if it was made after September last year, it should have it. So right now they're eligible for all the they're eligible to do retrofit on all the models from 2019 to on Model 3s and Model Y. Okay, so let's see, let me show you. I don't have the, if you look at the toy box, I don't have the BoomBox, which is supposed to be here. And if you look at my firmware right here, it's up to date. I'm on updated firmware, but I don't have the BoomBox feature as of today, 9:50, 10 o'clock. So the technician should be here in an hour, and he will install it. Okay, the technician is here, so he's coming right here. Came in Model X. My car is right here, so. Yeah, that's a Model X. To install the speaker, the technician took off the front passenger wheel. I thought he was gonna open the front and do it from there, but this one is actually inside of that front mud guard. So he took it off and he just literally placed the speaker, plug and play. It was pretty much done in 5 minutes. I thought after installing the speaker I was going to get over the air update, firmware update to get the BoomBox, but actually the technician has to use his laptop to update the configuration of the car. So friends, finally we got the BoomBox installed, and it's been a long wait, almost like 3-4 months since the real update came, and then I was so disappointed, but finally I'm so happy. So let's go check it out. Okay, so let's go inside the car. So it's right here, so let me show you from the beginning. If you go here, you get the toy box. See, da-dang, my BoomBox is right here. So let's play the, you can, I don't have to explain it, but pretty much everyone knows, but you can, if you want to play the current media, you can do. But the funniest thing is the goat sound. Let me see the preview. See that? So the goat sound is making the goat sound. There you go. Then it has all kind of fart if you want to make it. Oh my God, look at that! And if you want to play driving sound, you can do that. So while driving, you can do that. So let's see. I put rock and roll, and let's preview, and I'll show you where this sound is coming from. Where's the speaker? The speaker they installed right here. So the speaker is right here. So you can hear this is where the speaker is. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys like it, and let me tell you the price. It was just $100, and 55 for the labor and 40 for the parts, I think. Anyway, I'm gonna put that invoice in right now. So anyway, like I said, I was pissed that I didn't have this BoomBox in my car, and it was only like what 6 months old, and I felt like I was left out. Right now, I feel like I'm up to date to all these cars. So my car is right now is pretty much capable of everything that a new Tesla can do. So like I said, people who've been out there who's early buyers like me, who is missing out, especially on a Model Y and Model 3 too. So if you guys want to do it, just go for it. Make a mobile appointment. They will come to you and they will do it. Just $100 is a lot of fun. And the one thing is, let's say if you just go by and get the pod with the speaker and you try to install by itself, it's not gonna work. I seen that video on YouTube. They're trying to do it. All the work is but just when you reverse it, the UFO sound. Other than that, the BoomBox will not come because it's not a firmware update. It's actually a configuration update that the technician has to do with the computer. So that's the reason. Even if you install by yourself, by saving, like thinking about saving $40, it's not gonna work. So make sure you do it. Let them do it. So I asked them when they start doing it. They said last week. So I'm one of the early installer. And like I said, people were saying it's $200. No, it's not $200, just $100. Everything out the door. So again, I hope you liked the video. If you have your friends, if they have it, share it with your friends so that they can see it. And if you want to use my referral link for your Tesla, you get 1,000 miles. I'll put that in my description, so please use that. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please consider subscribing. I'll be coming up with so many other videos, and I'll come with another video soon. Till then, it's me, Aldo, signing off. Bye bye.